Hello friends, let us now learn some important points about prolactin. Okay, prolactin is actually, it is homologous to, prolactin is homologous to growth hormone, and it is also homologous to human placental lactogen, which is produced by the mother. Okay, the secretion of prolactin is also pulsatile secretion. Okay, prolactin, if you see the highest secretory peaks of prolactin are mainly seen in REM sleep. This prolactin also causes marked lactotroph cell hyperplasia, mainly during the pregnancy. This hyperplasia is seen during the pregnancy and also in first few months of lactation. You will see marked lactotroph cell hypertrophy is seen during pregnancy and first few months of lactation. Okay, so if you see the I will tell you, hypothalamus will produce dopamine, which will inhibit the pituitary, and thus it produces prolactin, which will activate the mammary gland to produce milk, whereas hypothalamus produces TRH, which will activate pituitary to produce prolactin. Okay, now let us learn about some one-liners. What are the factors which control prolactin secretion? Factors which control prolactin secretion include, these are pregnancy, lactation, sleep, sexual intercourse, then hypoglycemia. In the hypoglycemia, especially during fasting and exercise. Okay, then stressful stimuli. If you see surgery and trauma. Okay, in all these cases you will see that there is increased prolactin secretion. Now, what are the functions of prolactin? If you see the functions of prolactin, prolactin will stimulate number one, milk production, so thus it causes lactogenesis. Okay, it will also stimulate the breast development, and thus it will cause mammogenesis. Prolactin will help in mammogenesis. Okay, prolactin also induces and it will maintain lactation, and thus this induction and maintaining lactation is called as galactopoiesis, is done by prolactin. Prolactin will also inhibit ovulation by decreasing gonadotropin releasing hormone. It inhibits spermatogenesis similarly by decreasing the gonadotropin releasing hormone. It will inhibit folliculogenesis, and this prolactin will suppress the sexual drive. So these are the important functions of prolactin. Thank you for watching.